Hey guys, today's video I'll be talking about Tropical Storm Ana, our first official named storm for the 2021 Atlantic hurricane season. It originated yesterday in the early morning as a subtropical storm, and just earlier today it fully transitioned to a fully tropical storm and currently has peak sustained winds of 45 miles per hour and a pressure of 1,006 millibars. It actually re-strengthened overnight last night back to its peak intensity. It weakened during the day yesterday a bit because of because of cooler waters and such, the environment that it's in, but did re-strengthen with some more thunderstorm activity blowing up around the center, and it's currently moving to the northeast at 12 miles per hour. If we look at the National Hurricane Center's current new forecast cone for it, you can see it's going to dissipate by the time, probably by the time we wake up, especially by the time we wake up tomorrow morning. It'll only last for another little over a day from this point. Yeah, this is the seventh consecutive Atlantic hurricane season to start with a preseason named storm prior to June 1st, so that's insane. We're just continuing that record streak of early starting Atlantic hurricane seasons. Let's go to the satellite imagery to show you what Tropical Storm Ana looks like on satellite imagery. You can see there's like really barely any tall thunderstorms blowing up in the storm and around the center. It's really on its way out at this point. I think it's starting to weaken and starting its trend to dissipate, especially it'll definitely start its trend to dissipate, especially as we get into the afternoon today and evening, because likely by overnight tonight it will fully dissipate. So again, this is what Ana looks like on satellite imagery. Barely any thunderstorm activity blowing up in the storm. Now, I'll show you the forecast models. I'll just show you the GFS models, show you that Ana's on her way out. Let's go to the North Atlantic. You can see there's Ana right over here, and you can see it's just going to get absorbed into this frontal system and dissipate, and it will become history. And then we can continue to see if any other tropical cyclones potentially will form in the coming weeks and months. Yeah, we'll go back to that kind of thing. Let's go to the Wikipedia page now for the 2021 Atlantic hurricane season. You can see, there we go. It says right here, however, subtropical or tropical cyclone genesis is possible at any time of the year, as demonstrated by the early formation of Tropical Storm Ana on May 22nd, making 2021 the 7th consecutive year that a storm formed before the official start of the season, which is June 1st still. Now, the National Hurricane Center again started issuing regular tropical weather outlooks starting this season on May 15th, 2 weeks or so prior to the official start of the season. Yeah, the Ana is going to dissipate. The next name on the list is Bill, so we'll see when Bill will form, and we have 21 names to go through. Well, now 20 names to go through for the rest of the season, all the way through Wanda. We'll see how active the season is. We'll see how close to the end of the naming list we get. A good bit of forecasts already have this season getting the named storms, obviously, the named storm count getting pretty close to the end of the list. 16 named storms, 17 named storms, 18 named storms, 20 named storms. If we get to 20 named storms, we'd be just one named storm shy of getting to the final name on the conventional naming list. So if we get 20 named storms, we go down to Victor, and then the final name would be Wanda on the list. So, if the season gets that active, that's going to be pretty interesting, to say the least. Of course, we already have our one named storm down, which was Ana, and we'll see as we progress into June. June is still it's still about a week away or so from a little more than a week away from beginning. So the next Tuesday is the first day of June, so we are in the final stretch now until we get to the first official start date of the Atlantic hurricane season this year, and we're already off to an early start, so this is pretty crazy stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This was the first video I actually covered on what is now a tropical storm Ana, and the system that is now named Ana, since I didn't get to cover it yesterday since I was busy. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider liking the video down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below. Let's have a nice, lively, respectful discussion down there in the comments section about what you guys think about this year's Atlantic hurricane season, again starting early, before June 1st, and what you guys think this season may have in store for us. As well, remember again to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you're already subscribed. Please make sure those bell notifications are on for my channel so you get future updates on tropical activity and any kind of weather activity. You'll get any kind of update on whatever videos I put out, whether it's tropical weather videos, winter weather videos, severe weather videos, any of that. Make sure those bell notifications are on for my channel so you get any kind of weather video related update from my channel. Again, make sure you like the video down below, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's have a nice, lively yet respectful discussion down there in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.